Someone said, yo, hello. Wait, can they hear me? Oh, I don't cuss. Yeah. I'm gonna have my voice a little deeper like this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bro, I have 100 minutes in the Sab Trading Plaza, bro. Yeah, that's actually crazy. Hold up, I'll pull up your stream. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna check. He's not like